Hello, everyone, welcome back to HegoSpot. In order to protect the personal privacy stored in the iPhone, people will set a passcode to prevent their iPhones from being illegally invaded by others. But there is also a common problem where you forgot the iPhone passcode, causing you to be locked out of your iPhone. Users usually choose more complex passcode to protect their privacy. And that is why they tend to forget their iPhone passcode. Fortunately, your iPhone won't be unusable because of forgetting passcode. You can unlock the iPhone by resetting it to the factory settings. And this video will introduce you to 3 ways to solve the trouble of forgetting your iPhone passcode. When you forgot iPhone passcode, the new Erase iPhone feature in iOS 15.2 or later can help you get access to your iPhone again. With just a few clicks, this option allows users to delete all their information on iPhone and start fresh. Plus, it's conveniently located on the bottom right corner of your iPhone screen, so this method is easy to find and use. But there are some prerequisites. First, your iPhone must be running iOS 15.2 or later. And the locked iPhone must have a reliable network connection. You also need to know your Apple ID password to confirm the erase request. Besides, you have to keep entering different incorrect password combinations until the Erase iPhone option appears in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once these requirements are met, you can proceed with the erasing process and reset your device to its factory settings. When you get the Erase iPhone option on the iPhone unavailable or security lockout screen, tap on the Erase iPhone option. Then tap the Erase iPhone option again to make sure you want to perform a reset on iPhone. After following the prompts to enter your Apple ID password, the factory reset process will begin automatically. When you successfully remove the forgotten passcode from your iPhone will automatically restart with the Hello screen. And you need to follow the on-screen prompts to set up iPhone from scratch. But if you have created a backup on iCloud or on your computer, you can restore the deleted file data during the setup process. The second method is using iPhone Unlocker. iPhone Unlocker is one of the most reliable and easy-to-use methods for regaining access to your iPhone after forgetting its passcode. iPhone Unlocker has a friendly interface and requires no technical knowledge to operate. Not only does it quickly remove any forgotten passwords, it also removes screen time and Apple ID. Moreover, it is suitable for all models of iPhone and has a high success rate. But that's not all. iPhone Unlocker ensures the security of your personal information during the unlocking process. Download the iPhone Unlocker on your desktop. When you run it, select the white passcode option from the main interface. Click Start and connect your iPhone to your computer. Then click the Device Connected but Not Recognized link and activate your iPhone's recovery mode following the instructions at the link. Next, confirm your iPhone information. Click on Start after completing the right information. Now, wait for the firmware package to download, and it will take a few minutes to complete. Type 0000 in the Unlock confirmation page and click Unlock. Then, wait for a few seconds for the completion of the unlock process. Your forgotten passcode will be long gone when the unlocking process is over. It may seem intimidating at first, but with the help of iPhone Unlocker, resetting your iPhone can be a simple fix. Apple has provided a solution for forgotten iPhone passwords with its recovery mode feature. Connecting your device to a computer, and launching iTunes or Finder can reset the iPhone to factory settings and remove the passcode. Finder applies to a Mac running macOS Catalina and later. On a Mac running macOS Mojave and earlier, or on a PC, open the latest version of iTunes. Whichever program you choose, putting your iPhone into recovery mode can help you bypass a forgotten passcode. First, make sure that Finder or the latest version of iTunes is installed on your computer. Then, turn off your iPhone and plug it into your computer. Put your iPhone into the recovery mode. The way to enter the recovery mode varies depending on the iPhone model. On an iPhone 8 or newer, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. On an iPhone 7 or 7 Plus, press and hold the side button along with the volume down button until the recovery mode screen appears. On an iPhone 6s or earlier, long press the home button along with the side button until the recovery mode screen appears. Open Finder or iTunes on the computer. Click the iPhone icon in iTunes, or click your iPhone's name in Finder. And when a message asks you to choose Restore or Update, select Restore. In the next inquiry box, select the Restore and Update option to reset your iPhone. But since there are some technical problems with recovery mode, such as getting stuck in recovery mode and not being able to exit, it is necessary to choose a reliable third-party tool like iPhone Unlocker as an alternative. When you forget your iPhone passcode, you can use these 3 methods to reset your iPhone quickly. Hope these 3 methods can solve your troubles. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and learn more about how to unlock iPhone. Thanks for watching.